Yeah, my name is Ubani. I'm a legal practitioner, a member of Ikeja branch, the immediate second vice president of the Nigerian Bar Association.
Very well. Nice meeting you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
We want to congratulate you for this lecture because we already envisage it to be a very successful one. In the light of what's happening in the country regarding the judiciary and the executive, what is your take on the Chief Justice of Nigeria, the present thing going on?
Well, the issue is that the Chief Justice of Nigeria does not enjoy any legal immunity. If he has committed any act of offense or an infraction of the law, he ought to face the consequences. That we believe in it. But what we're saying is that what is the state of the law with regards to the trial of any judicial officer? If the Constitution says there are processes and procedures that you have to comply with, those processes and procedures must be complied with. The moment you breach it, you run into a legal technicality, and that will not be too good for the government itself, because it would have ended up creating tension between you and the other arm of government, and secondly, denigrating or diminish the status of the other arm of government by that act and all that. So processes and procedures are key, and so we insist that those processes be followed. We are saying that with this present status of our legal law, of our law, the position is that if you want to try a judicial officer in any offense that arise in the course of the performance of his position or office, you have to refer the matter first and foremost to the National Judicial Council. If you fail to do that before taking the person straight to the court, the matter will suffer legal consequences that is negative. Yes.
So what would you like people to take from this lecture? What should they
Well, one, we are doing this lecture in honor of a great man, and that is late Gani Fawemi. He was a great man, a fantastic human being, somebody that all of us want to emulate. He used the law to fight the cause of injustice in the country, and he believed in the enforcement of fundamental human rights of the citizens. So we have so much regard and respect for him. That's why Ikeja has been doing this. This is the 15th year we've been doing this and all that. And this year we choose a topic that is very relevant to us as a nation, the issue of independence of INEC. As we work towards the election that is coming up in February, just a few weeks away, we are saying that the institutions must be very strong and they must be very independent. One of those institutions is the INEC. And INEC is, if it's not independent, there's going to be a problem. And so that is why we have chosen the topic. And so it's going to be a fantastic lecture. We have Professor Aki Oyebode as our guest speaker. The chairman, Justice Habib Abiru of the Court of Appeal, is already around. And so you see.